Hey guys, my name's Jeff from Home Built by Jeff, and I'm actually, I've spent the last few years building my old Porsche 911, and I'm finally at the stage where I'm going to start getting the engine in the car and getting it running. And to do that, I'm going to be using a Link Storm ECU. It's my first time ever installing an ECU into any car, so it's going to be an interesting learning experience, but I don't think it's going to be too difficult. And my thing is building every part of the cars myself, so from doing the paintwork, the interior, sewing the entire interior, building the roll cage, and building the entire engine from the ground up. And I think the ECU is just the next step of that, so I'm looking forward to it. It should be fun, but I'll hope to see you on the build.